If you're someone who's into digital marketing or you are starting your career into marketing, you should learn why marketing and you should forget all the past experiences or your learnings which you had in digital marketing. And the reason is because digital marketers are going and they are becoming useless day by day, and why marketers are literally taking over all the projects. And that is what we have seen. I have personally seen in last 3 months by testing and working with multiple AI tools with various projects. The results between a beginner or a digital marketer and a vibe marketer will literally going to blow you. And this is what exactly I'm going to show you in this video. I'll be telling you what exactly is a vibe marketer and how you as a digital marketer can switch from typical digital marketer to vibe marketer, which kind of tools you should be using, and what is the exact roadmap which you need to follow. And with that, I'm going to share a couple of useful workflows and automation which you can start after watching this video from scratch without any kind of paid tool or paying anything. I'll show you how Perplexity will do all the SEO work for you. Lindy AI will automate all the workflow, and N8N will do the AI SEO research for you. And many more important tasks such as creating presentation for your client, creating brief for your company or for your managers. Everything will be done within couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you everything. So watch this video till the end to get all kind of automation. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and like if you're watching this video for the first time. And I've created a private community for people like you who are into digital marketing, who seriously wants to grow as a digital marketer. Go and join that private community. The link of that community is in the description. But for now, let me start sharing my screen and let's understand the step-by-step guide on how to become a vibe marketer. So before I start explaining you how you're able to learn vibe marketing, you need to understand why at the first place you as a marketer or digital marketer need vibe marketing in your current profession or current workflow. So vibe marketing is not just another marketing tactic or strategy. People used to say that performance marketing will be the next big thing. Of course it is, but now even performance marketers are getting replaced by vibe marketer. It's a new operational philosophy powered by AI automation and rapid experimentation. Now AI automation plays a very vital and important role in vibe marketing. Uh, you can build entire marketing machines that test, optimize, and scale themselves, bringing agency-sized result at a sole operator with a speed and cost. So imagine a workflow or a place where we have 5 team, and the 5 team, whatever works they do, that kind of work will be done by one person. And that is a structure and mechanism you are going to follow when you learn vibe marketing. So couple of important things. As a vibe marketer, you'll be able to launch campaigns in days, not in weeks, because you'll have lot of capabilities in terms of rapid deployment through automated workflows and AI assistance. You'll be able to test dozens of variation at once. So you don't have to ask designers or copywriters to write multiple copies or design many creatives. You'll be able to do this thing using Claude, GPT, and later using lot of tools as a vibe marketer. Automate what used to take a team of people, replace entire departments with intelligent workflows and AI agents working in concert. Next, what is vibe marketing? And this is something where you need to focus. You need to put all your attention here on the screen, not on anything else. So vibe marketing in a very simple definition, and this concept is coined in like last couple of months. So this is not something which has been there from last many years. It is a new concept discovered in last 3 to 4 months only. So it's a system focused AI and automation driven approach to marketing that prioritizes the speed, scale, and data driven optimization over traditional manual campaign based strategies. Now, I'll talk about the core principles which we follow in vibe marketing. First is rapid iteration. Now, you'll able to test more creative, more copies when you use AI, when you start implementing AI strategies and automation in your workflows. When you double down on winners and cut losers within days. Now, these simple strategies, these iteration used to take around 2 to 3 weeks. Next is systems over campaigns. So you'll able to build workflows, then deploy and optimize scale within minimum human effort. Of course, when you talk about scaling the campaign or scaling any kind of marketing initiatives, you need human intervention. But if you get the report, if you're able to analyze the data very quickly, you will be at a place where you'll start optimizing and scaling that campaign or initiatives. Next is automated execution. So AI agent will run the show from ideation, content creation to approval, and then to distribution. Your main job will be as a marketer to understand what is working, providing directions, and making key approvals. So this is the core principles, and this is exactly what vibe marketing is all about. You might be seeing people on internet talking about vibe marketing as something where you'll be creating, any kind of images or videos using AI tools. That is not the vibe marketing, by the way. That is something which was there a year ago. There is no involvement in those things of AI or AI agents. So the vibe marketing is exactly where you'll be deploying and using a lot of AI tools and AI agents. Next, the mindset shift, which everyone requires, especially the people, the marketing folks who are into marketing for many years. They are not ready to adopt and change. And this is the very important slide, not just for them, but for everyone, even for a beginner who is learning marketing from many years or many months. That might be any digital marketing institute or any course, pre-recorded course, where they are learning all these outdated things, which is not useful at all in any market. Now, I'm in the UK market, and both US and UK market goes along the way in terms of all the iteration and ideation of all the latest updates and tricks. Now, I'm not saying that other market is slow, but it's just the understanding of these tools and using them. So first is, with traditional marketing, you'll have large and specialized teams. With vibe marketing, one skilled marketer and agent will do all the work. It used to take week to launch many meetings. You'll approve, you'll start taking ideation from content writer, then you'll create that design from graphic designer, and then you'll have approval on those things. Now, these things can be done within days, and you will able to automate all these tasks. In traditional marketing, silo departments, but with vibe marketing, unified workflows and fully visibility. That means you'll able to see whatever you have automated, and that entire workflow will be there. So you'll have a full understanding and transparency. With traditional marketing, we used to do a lot of A and B testing manually, but with Y marketing, there will be mass testing, and you will able to optimize everything instantly within a days or two. High cost, slow learning. On the other hand, with Y marketing, low cost and rapid insight cycles. The reason is you'll able to learn a lot using AI tools. Tools like Google AI Studios, where you'll able to share your entire screen and you can directly ask all the doubts and questions while you are stuck somewhere in any campaign or problem in digital marketing. As a traditional marketer, you'll be reactive to trends. That means you'll be jumping here and there. You'll understand and then try to adopt on new trends. But as a vibe marketer, you'll be quite proactive since you'll have trend driven automation. So first I'll talk about automations and workflow builders. And I highly recommend everyone, whoever is watching this video, to test at least one automation and workflows within your own daily task, so that you will at least able to transition from marketer to a vibe marketer. So the tool which I am referring is, that is not in the PPT by the way, is Lindy.ai, and I've created outreach for jobs. So this particular tool, I'll show you the automation and the flow first, and later I'll change this outreach. If not for jobs, then for lead as well. So anyone who's trying to reach out to someone just to do the networking as a digital marketer, you will able to do that using Lindy.ai. So first, I'll show you the flow, and this is the flow editor which is available on Lindy.ai. You'll able to get this template. I'll put the template link in the description. So first, you'll be starting with the outreach text. Here, you'll add the conversation starter. So you'll be adding, if you're doing networking, you'll be adding bit about yourself and how and where you can add value. If you're reaching out to recruiters or companies for job, you'll be adding the CV and bit about yourself. Next, you're going to add the lead. So in the Google Sheets, you're going to add all the contact number which you'll able to scrape using LinkedIn or any other tool, which I'll explain later. And then you'll be starting your first outreach email. Once you've done that, your email will be sent within 3 days. Now here you can optimize this and you can change this timing. If not, for 3 days, you can do it immediately or after 1 day. Now after the wait of 1 day, you'll able to add one more workflow here. You can add to perform one more action. In this case, I can add Slack, or if I'm tracking the chat using LinkedIn, I'll use some other tool to do that. So for instance, here I'm going to add the Slack community to create a reminder. So that way I'll at least get one reminder as well. And then after your second email, we have to wait for 3 more days, and then you'll have third outreach, and whatever outreach you're going to get, you'll be getting updated on your Slack. So you can cancel your second reminder and the first reminder as well, and all the responses you're going to get using Slack, or you can use any other tool. You can use Notion, ClickUp, or any other tool for your own efficiency. So this is one tool for automation which you can use, and I want you to use after watching this video. If you want any other help, or if you are facing any kind of issue, just comment Lindy or comment automation, and I'll create one more video dedicated to how to use Lindy.ai as a digital marketer. Second tool which I want everyone, whoever watching this video and my own community, to use make.com for your agentic workflows or to create workflows. Now, I have a lot of people in my group, in our community, who have done that in the past, and I've tested and did one-on-one call with them to understand and help them. But the template which I'm going to share, which you need to follow, is this one. And I'll also share this template in the description, so you'll able to test after. And I also share this template in the description, so you'll able to test after watching this video. So this make.com automation is more about finding a YouTube channel, amplifying and understanding what the channel or what that video is talking about, sending a summary on ChatGPT, and from ChatGPT you'll able to get an email summarizing all that video and key insights which you should take as a marketer. Now, with ChatGPT and make.com, you might need couple of APIs to connect, or if you have MCP on cloud.ai, it will be easier for you to connect all these APIs. Now similar to make.com, we have Zapier, and I'm assuming as a marketer, if you are a beginner, then I'm not sure, but if you are into marketing for many years, you might have tested and used Zapier to connect your Facebook lead with any HubSpot or CRM. Next, the very important part after your automation is AI content creation. Now, when I talk about AI, I'm not just talking about DALI or Midjourney. I'm talking about creating PPTs and mind map without any efforts or putting so many hours. So the first tool which I prefer to do all the market research, create PPTs as well as all kinds of chats, deep research, is GenSpark Super Agent. Now I'll give you a couple of examples. I'm going to show you one presentation which I've created using GenSpark. So what I've done is I've created and did all the research on Perplexity, and with Perplexity I'm using Pro. So if you're using the basic version, you'll still able to get one deep research or two deep research per day. So you'll have that much flexibility even if you use Perplexity Pro. So with Lab, what I did is I created SEO report, and this was the prompt. Do research on this website. Help me prepare the SEO strategy with 3 to 5 keywords for the website. Let me know if you have any questions. And when you put this prompt into Perplexity Lab, you'll able to see entire research. You will not able to do any other research after doing this research, because it will literally covers everything. And once you get this, all you have to do is you have to go on GenSpark, and all you have to do is you have to put that text here, and you will ask create a AI PPT for yourself. Now you can customize this entire prompt and write as per your requirement, but this is the simple prompt which I have used. And then I click on AI slides, and if you see, it has already started giving the content and the entire PPT. The first one is the intro, table of contents, and strategic foundation. And if I scroll down, I'll see more PPTs. Now you can do much more than just creating PPTs with this particular AI agents tool. You can create AI slides, you can do deep research, you can literally create a task where someone will be calling on your behalf. And along with that, you can do fact checks as well. So apart from GenSpark, I use Manus.im a lot. Now Manus is the same tool. it is quite similar to genspark.ai, but with Manus, you will able to do a deep research as well as you can do visualization. That means if you have to create any kind of market research where you have to put a deep visualization or any slides where you used to take 2 to 3 hours, in that case, you will be spending roughly half an hour to create stunning slides as well as market research. Now, once you understand the major part of why marketing, that is automations and AI content creation, then we'll have system orchestration, that is where your MCP, that is model content protocol for each AI tools is there, where you will be creating API routing, open router to flexibly connect one tool with another tool. The best example can be Cloud MCP with any other agentic tool. In project management, use ClickUp, Notion, and Airtable to integrate and follow the approval. And at the end, the very important task and part I would say of this video is, I always say ideas without execution is just delusion. So don't overthink, just build. First, install a visual workflow builder. It can be N8, N or Make.com, Zapier. Integrate Claude and Perplexity via Open Router. Build a workflow to either scrape or source content ideas. Run through this content on Claude or any AI tool which you might be using. Auto push output to Google Sheets or project management tool, and then approve and test how this thing is working. So this is it for the video, guys. Do subscribe and like, and if you are a marketer or digital marketer who is just starting their career into digital marketing, join my paid program where I am teaching AI and digital marketing blending together, giving you the systems and strategies which is working. Using that, you will able to become a high paid digital marketer in India or anywhere. So link of that program is in the description. It is a very affordable program which anyone can take and become a superstar in marketing. So if you're serious about your career trajectory, join that course. But for now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.